Good morning, students. Today we'll study about interaction picture. In this picture, both state vectors and operators evolve with time. This is useful when Hamiltonian of the system is time dependent and can be split into two parts. H, H cap t equal to H cap naught plus H cap 1t. So this H cap naught is the time independent part and H1t is the time dependent part. If psi of t is a state vector, a state function of the system, Schrodinger's equation for such system is IH cross del psi t by del t equal to H cap t and psi of t. When both time dependent and time independent part is there, then we can write the Schrodinger equation in interaction picture like this. This is called as equation number 2. Now, the time evolution operator will involve in the absence of, that is, time dependent part h1 of t. So we got this, that is u cap t to t naught equal to e to the power of minus I h naught t to t naught h cross. So this is nothing but the Schrodinger equation we got from the Schrodinger picture. Without the, this is the stationary state, that is uh, we got the equation from Schrodinger picture. Now, the wave function in interaction picture. How can we write the wave function from in interaction picture when we include the time dependent part? That is psi I of t equal to u naught inverse. Here it is the inverse t to t naught psi of t. That is like in the Heisenberg picture, we'll take the unitary operator. This when u naught is inverse, then we can write using the unitary transformation in this way. The same as like Heisenberg picture, the equations we can write the exponential term a cap and here the exponential term, and if we do the calculation the same way in Heisenberg picture, we'll get the equation number 6. This is nothing but the Heisenberg equation from the Heisenberg picture. Now this h I naught equal to exponential this term with h cap naught e power this term. Now this both the terms, minus term and the plus term, both it will get cancels. That is h I interaction picture of h naught equal to h cap 0 in the Schrodinger picture. Both are equal. That is, instead this Heisen in interaction picture and in the Schrodinger picture, these terms are equal. Now we'll write using the same, that equation number 5, using equation number 5, this equation number 5 will write the Hamiltonian in the interaction picture. So we got this equation the same way as like in equation number 5 we write this for we wrote this in the this equation becomes equation number 7. So we have taken from the Heisenberg picture. From equations 3 and 4. What is this 3 and 4? This equation number 3. Check the equation number 3. That is the Schrodinger picture. This u term we are going to substitute in the equation number 4. In this u naught term we will substitute. So we will get the different equation here, that is psi of t equal to this exponential term with psi I of t. This equation will substitute in the equation number 2. That is equation number 2 is what? which is nothing but the Schrodinger equation. When we write it for both independent and time dependent terms, so we'll substitute this equation, that value of psi of t in the equation number 2, the Schrodinger equation. Then we'll simplify this. Now we'll take the derivative term inside this one. So del by del t of psi of t, and this side, this exponential term, this becomes I by h cross h cap 0. Now instead of this, we'll substitute this h cap t here. From the equation 1, we'll substitute h cap 0 plus h cap 1 of t in place of h cap t from equation 1. Now we'll just simplify. Left hand side will be same as it is, and in the right hand side this h0 and h1t will include with this term. Now what the equation becomes? Observe that second term in LHS and first term in RHS are equal. So both will get cancels. Now we left with this equations. Now what we'll do here, we'll multiply both the sides by e to the power of positive I by h cross h naught t to t naught. So here the exponential term will get cancels and here it will be added. Now this equation, this term we can replace with h cap I of t. Using the equation number 7, we will replace this term with the h cap I1 of t. So this equation we'll call it as equation for the interaction picture. The last equation which tells us how the wave function evolve with time, and equation number 6 which tells us how operators are changing in the interaction picture.